How to fix general authentication error on OkCupid. 1. Update the Okcupid app. Go at App Store and update the app. 2. Offload the app. Go at Settings and press General. Then press iPhone Storage. Go at Okcupid App. Press Offload App. Now press Reinstall App. Three. Remove the Okcupid app. First, delete the app. Then go at App Store. Install Okcupid. 4. Purchase a number from DatingZest shop. Link in the description. Press Purchase now. Write your billing details and credit card information. Press Place Order. Now go at OkCupid and create an account. Use VPN if you are not in allowed countries. Now create your password. Write your desired relationship type and upload pictures of yourself. Tell them more about yourself. Now go on DatingZest and get the number. Copy the number and paste it on OkCupid. OkCupid will send you a code. Copy the code and paste it on OkCupid. Your account will be verified.